Hi everyone, do you want to create great photography for your products? Then you can use this AI driven tools. You just have to upload pictures of your product in PNG format, that is preferably with a transparent background, so you can see some of the products that is being mentioned here. This is a serum bottle, this is a water bottle, so this is a tube container. So we can upload any photo and it will convert it into these kinds of images, which will just uplift the aura of the image. So if you just place it here, you see the difference it makes. So this can be used for various purposes, whether you are a seller in Amazon who wants to list various products, you can come here and do that. So if you see here, the bottle that has been used, the car that has been placed in a desert, whether it is a necklace, it can be placed. If it is a fruit or a drink, it can be placed here. So similarly, you can place it in such a way that it looks great. So this is very essential if you are marketing your product in Instagram, whether you want to sell your product in Amazon, Flipkart, or anywhere, whether even if it is in WhatsApp. If you want to market your product, you have to make sure that it looks great. So you can use this for all those purposes. As you can see, I see many people selling candles. So if you place a candle in this kind of background, it will look great. So I'll show you with one simple image. So you can use that for various purposes. So this gives you 40 photos per month, this tool. As you can see, I have uploaded an image. So this is the image I had. This is about Air France. That is for this product is for air fragrance. So I have uploaded it. I can name the product. I can zoom in and see. And if I want to refine the background, I can do that too. So the background already looks good. Otherwise, I can refine it in normal brush mode. Okay, so this is how it looks. Anyway, it looks good. So I'll save this asset. So after saving this asset, it will come in my products. So now I can choose where I want to show this. So if I want to show it along different fragrance, whether it is with flowers, roses, I can do all those things here. So let me try to place this in a garden sort of thing, because this is about air fragrance. So here I go here and say high quality image generate, and I'm clicking on flowers. Okay, so let's see what it comes up with. It will generate, I think, around 4 images, and we can choose the best image out of it. So these are the various ones that you can see here. It is taking around 15 seconds for this one because I have taken a little bit more quality images. So if you see, this one has come out well. So now you see, it has entirely transformed the image appearance. So this is about fragrance, air fragrance. So it has placed it in near the flowers. So now you see this is again placed it in a very aesthetic way. Now if you see this one, this also looks pretty great, I would say. Now one more is loading up. Now if I want to upscale it to a very high scale, I can do that, but I just need to put upgrade it, I guess, for this. Now if I want to add a logo, I can add a logo too. For that also I need to upgrade. So this is the reference image that is being used. I can use reference images also. So the last one, this looks great, I would say, with a lot of flowers and all. See, it looks a premium finish. So if I want to upgrade it, so it's around like $15 per month. That is if you do it yearly. Otherwise it's like $20 per month, I guess. You get 1000 images every month. Otherwise, you can get it for free, around 40 photos every month, I guess. So that is how it works. So I hope this video is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.